to include and promote not only LiDAR now, but for example, UAVs and other technology. But what is the interesting part of the LiDAR is we have a very detailed information about the forest, not only the cover, but also the structure of the forest and the terrain below the forest. So for forest planning, it's very important not only to detect and locate trees, but to see how is the best way to extract the trees from the forest. Minimizing canopy damage, minimizing understory damage, avoiding crossing stream flows. So we have a lot of potential to include the information that we can extract from the LiDAR data set to improve the assessment of the forest. So, and the amount of data collected by LiDAR is very high. That's why we need the computing resources, the technology of information resources to be able to handle those data fast and with the correct layers of information, to extract the correct layers of information to potentialize the use